63.10.3. Issuance of citation to resident of reciprocating states, security for appearance, reporting on non-compliance with citation. This law is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. If you come from out of state into Mississippi, that's what this is going to go over. First section of this is going to be a state highway patrol officer, in lieu of arrest for a traffic violation, may issue a citation as would be appropriate under the circumstances to any motorist who is a resident of the state or holds a license issued by a reciprocating state and shall not, subject to the exceptions noted in subsection 2 of this section, require such motorist to post collateral or bond to secure his appearance, but shall accept such motorist driver's license in lieu of bond or security as provided by section 63.925 Mississippi Code 1972, provided, however, that a person so charged shall have the right upon his request to post collateral or bond in a manner as provided by law, and in such case the provisions of this chapter shall not apply. Subsection 2. No motorist shall be entitled to receive a citation under the provision of subsection 1 of this section, nor shall any state highway patrol officer issue a citation as provided for therein in the offense be included to the following: A. An offense for which the issuance of the citation in lieu of a hearing or the posting of collateral or bond is prohibited by the laws of this state, or B. An offense for which state statutes require the revocation or suspension of motorist license. Subsection 3. Upon the failure of any resident or non-resident to comply with the terms of a traffic citation, the issuing officer shall request that a warrant be issued and shall report same to the Commissioner of Public Safety for his duly authorized agent, who shall suspend such person's driver's license until such time as a disposition is had on said undisposed of traffic citation. Such report shall clearly identify the persons charged, describe the violation, specify the statute, code, or ordinance violated, indicate the location of the offense, give a description of the vehicle involved, and show the registration or license number of the vehicle. Such report shall be signed by the issuing officer. That law is pretty self-explanatory. If you come into Mississippi, you have to abide by the same rules as somebody who lives here. If you don't mind, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment what you want to see next. Let's keep it going. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.